This Coldwell Banker Wallace property video is presented by Diana Keeble. This well-maintained 3-bedroom home is move-in ready. Situated on 2 lots with an enormous 2-car garage/workshop. This home has a covered front porch with a porch swing to enjoy. A very large backyard patio, with a fenced-in yard. Updated bathroom and kitchen. A new HVAC system. Close to the city yet only county taxes. For more information, review the details below or contact Diana Keeble at 865-342-4200.